Hi, Paul Markham here, and we're having a look at my 1953 DKW F89P Meisterklasse project, which has been going on for far longer than I had anticipated. We're right at the point of being able to get the engine out. It's taken me quite a long time to get things moving, and I'll just quickly turn around and show you the view. So I attempted to move the engine after reading as many manuals as I could find. The challenge for the Masterclass, or the new Masterclass restoration, is that there is no workshop manual. You have to rely on the pre-war F8 and F7 manuals, which of course it's the same engine and same chassis gearbox, but the bodywork is entirely different. So in this case, there were suggestions that you could lift the engine out by removing the bonnet, but I attempted to do that just to measure the thing, and there was really no way that it was going to come out. As you can see there, if you look underneath the suspension there, the gearbox is right down in here, and it goes quite a bit underneath there. So there was no way of lifting that out without it hitting into the sides. So what I've done is just taken off the side. That was actually really easy. It took me only probably about 2 hours all up. So that was pretty straightforward. So now I'm planning just to hook the engine up. It's all disconnected. It'll swing out and we shall pop it over there. There we are, beginning to move. I'll just have to put the camera down for a second while I swing this out of the way. Okay, alright. So I'm just going to swing that over to here.